So, ito yung ano ngayon ni Asriel. So, lahat ng cars, different kinds of cars, ay pinapaprint niya sa mami niya. Yan, from white car to monster truck to red car or Lightning McQueen, and yung favorite niya na what's that, Asriel? Oh, ngayon, anong bago may papaprint sa mami mo? Oh, what's next? What's next? Zombie na. Oh. One less.
Zombie car.
Zombie car. Meron ba zombie car?
Zombie. What? Fish. Did you read? It's fine.
Asan? Wala naman zombie car eh. Asan?
It's fine.
Nasaan?
There's a one. It's a little Rita. What's the fish?
Asan ba? This one?
Yes. Ito na.
Uy, ayos ka oh.
Print it now?
Ito na yan.
I'll print it now. Come on. Even mommy is busy, mommy will gonna print it for you.
There was a zombie car.
Where do you want to put the zombie car, Asriel? Where do you want to put here?
Zombie car.
Asriel, where do you want to put your new car?
Ito yan. There was a zombie car.
Saan? Wow! A zombie car!
Zombie car.
Mommy's working na. I stop na.
Zombie.
Baka mamaya meron na naman. Hindi matapos.
No, ito.
Wow! What's that cars?
Cars.
Uh,
This one. Oh, zombie car.
ayaw niya nun.
Iyan yung tinuro mo.
What's a zombie, mommy? What's a zombie?
Ano?
What's a zombie car?
Ikaw na lang kayo gumanon.
Zombie. What's a was zombie?
Wait lang, I'm working eh.
Naya, what's a zombie?
Hindi ko nga alam yung sasabi mo ng zombie.
What's a zombie car? Zombie.
Mga zombies daw. I-print mo yung mga zombies.
Hindi nga, zombie car daw na gumagano.
Hindi, i-print mo lang yung mga zombies.
Hindi, pinakita ko na sa kanya yung zombie. Wala eh, walang ano sa kanya, wala siyang
What's a
say.
zombie?
Okay, wait lang.
Kasi pupunta doon ng mga zombies yung mga cars
Antok
niya.
na si Mami, need na ni Mami
Naya, what's a zombie car? Please, bye-bye.
Please, love you.
I want fish.
Zombie car.
Zombie car.
Picture.
Picture.
Cartoon.
Cartoon.
Print.
Zombie.
Is this?
Stop. Zombie car.
Ang sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Meron bang ganun? Zombie ka? Parang wala naman eh.
Cartoon. Nung tinype ko kasi ano yan lang yung lumabas o yung parang mga pangit. Ayan?
Yes. Zombie car.
Oh, you have to choose.
Well, zombie car.
Come on.
Thank you.
Last na yan, ha? Okay? It's last na, okay? Mommy is going to work na. Whoa! Macy? Macy, come on. What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? Look. Zombie car. Is that what you want?
Yes.
Oh, where do you want to put this one?
This.
Where?
This way.
This way? Oh, where is what's this?
Hmm.
What's this?
See.
Tape.
Yeah.
Okay.